Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about singletons. What are singletons, why we use them, and how to create a singleton class. So singletons are basically classes which have only one instance. These classes are not allowed to have more than one instance. So why we use them? In the project, sometimes we need a class which has a single state, like if you are creating a code location manager or if you are creating a player manager. So in these scenarios we need a class which have only one object, which mean only one state, so that we can access this state throughout the project and deal with it. Okay, so let's create a class. Let's see how to create a singleton class. So for that I'm going to create a class student which will have a property name. I'm going to assign a value to it. Okay, so in order to make this class singleton, I need to create an instance of this class while initializing the class. So let instance equals to student. Now I'm going to make it static. Why? So that I can access this instance in the project without creating any another instance of this class. By declaring this static, which means I am making this as a class level property, so I can access it with the name of the class. So that's it. This is how we create a singleton class. Now see how it works. So let me print something. Let me print the name of the student here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to access the instance and the instance property and then name. This is how we access the singleton class in anywhere in our project. So let's run it and see what happens. So as you can see, we have successfully accessed the property. Now I can make the now on I can make the another instance of this class, so it will destroy the singleton uh, character of this class. So in order to protect this class as a singleton, we need to do something extra. So to protect this class, what I'm going to do, I am going to make private its initializer. This is the default initializer of this class and I made it private. So if outside this class any other class or in the project like some manager class is going to create another instance of this class, it will not going to happen, because we made this class under the protection of private initializer. So nobody can else create another instance of this class. So let's see, I'm going to create an object of the student class outside the class. So let's see what happens. Okay, Here we can see student initializer is not accessible. So my singleton is protected, and the behavior and the character of this class is protected. Now this is how we create a singleton class, and we protect the singleton class. That's all for this. Thank you guys for watching.